Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 19th, 2021. We have here a lot of puzzles. First puzzle is a Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars. Yes. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. Then we have two binaries, binary puzzle number one, binary puzzle number two, and the last one, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So 9 puzzles today, but I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 5 of them I will solve today in this additional. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, a binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and a killer Sudoku. Alright, and the first puzzle I will solve will be a Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 3556. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 3, 17, plus 2, 19, plus 3 is 22, 23, 24, 25. Correct. A 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need... my time limit is 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yes, if it's really a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in the last row. So no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, no, sorry, we have a 1 here. 3, 4, and 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Okay. Okay. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5. Three missing numbers now in this row, the last row. Those missing numbers are the numbers. Here we have 3, 4, 6. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. That's a pair, 2 and a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One box left in this row for the number 5. Okay, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. How about the 5 in this column? Last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then. 8, 3, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Let me think. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. All right. Okay. 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see that 2, no 2 there. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. All right. 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Here in this column, we have 1, 8 are missing. It's a pair. So the other 3 boxes, box 1, box 2, box 3 are the numbers 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. 4, 6 we have here in this row. So the 4 and the 6 cannot be in this box. So one digit left should be the 3. 3, 4, 6. Okay. So now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. One box left in this column. Here we have 1 and an 8. So the 3 and a 4. So this box should be a 6. So now we have 3 and a 4 are left in the last row. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right. 4. Okay, 7. Then. How about 7. I'm thinking 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see a 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. All right. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. Right. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. We have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3. No. We have a 3 here. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Almost made a mistake. Okay. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. Then 5. Let me see. 2, 8, then a 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 2 should be there. Do we have all the 2s? Let me count, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. Here we have the first pair, 1 and a 6. The other pair should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 8. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Let me count again, and all the 5s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 5. Alright, okay. One number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. Two numbers left in the third row. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and the 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. One box left in the last column for the number 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have a 1 there, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7, and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's rather a 2 stars. Let me mark this a 2 stars. Yes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second puzzle. A 4 stars puzzle. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. Is this more difficult than the one I have solved in a few seconds ago? We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.